First, or how about a hand for all of our performers tonight? You know, I gotta say, it takes a lot of courage. So you guys should be very proud. I did this yesterday. I went to Waipahu's recital and I did this song and I couldn't even finish it because I was so nervous. So I'm gonna, first of all, thank Justin for giving me a second chance. He says second chances for students, but he never gave one for a teacher, so thank you so much. I also want to thank Mr. Sherwin. He's going to be accompanying me today. He did this, he put this together today, and in celebration of original songs like what Marianne did, I'm going to do an original song as well, and I hope that this touches your heart and keeps you dreaming to do what you want to do, and I hope that you will enjoy In My Eyes. I look back at all I've done, and just a moment later tears come to my eyes, because I never thought I'd see the day that I succeed. Or is it real, or just a dream? When I look up into the sky, I see the morning sun, my heart begins to fly. Couldn't imagine that I'd find the strength to make it through. And now I realize it's all because of you. And in my eyes I see how God made my life so specially for me. And in my eyes I know that I'm touching hearts wherever I go. And although I know this journey's over, another has begun, but I can do anything. In my eyes I see. This way before. I have you by my side and I could not ask for more. How can I thank you for the inspiration? A moment has arrived, and now it's time for me to hold my head up high. 'Cause in my eyes I see how God made my life as precious as can be. In my eyes I know that I'm touching hearts wherever I go. Yeah, and although I know this journey's over, another has begun, well, I can do anything. Eyes to see when you climb the highest mountain, when you swim the deepest seas, when you cherish all the little things, you will find this destiny. In my eyes
I see